Welcome back on day number 12 already. Okay, can you believe it that it's day number 12? You made it till now. Okay, today it's time for our brand new strategy, and the name of the strategy is Trend Switch. Okay, this is the strategy number 6. So let's go and check what are the indicators required and in which time frame you can use this strategy. This strategy is like it gives you the trend, short-term trend with the lower time frame and long-term trend with the high time frame. Okay, so you can use this strategy two ways. Either you can enter with the signal of this strategy, or you can use this strategy for the pullback. Okay, or you can use the strategy to identify that whether the market is in uptrend or a particular stock is in uptrend or it is in a downtrend. Okay, for your pullback entries. So let's check it out. Time frame, you can use this pretty much in 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 60 minutes for intraday, and for daily, weekly and monthly for swing trading and investment. Okay, and indicators require here is like candlesticks as always, and 55, 60 EMA. So we'll plot 55 and 60 both the EMS on the chart. It's not necessary that every time we use both together only. Whether it is 55 or 60, we can use any one, but we'll plot both. Okay, so it will give us the trend. So let's check it out, the entries. Rules for the long entries. So for that we need to identify our trigger candle. Our trigger candle is a candle which is cutting through 55 or 60 EMA from the bottom, or it is taking support at 55 and 60 EMA, either 55 or 60 or both, right? And we enter above the high of the candle. Our stop loss is below the low of the candle, and our target, as it is a momentum strategy again, so you need to exit in 4 to 5 candles, or you can trail your stop loss with 4 to 5 candles or with our preferred candles, strong candles, right? Let's check the example. This is the example of Bank Nifty. Okay, we have plotted here 55 and 60 EMA both. See, this is the cutting through, or like prices are already above it, went below slightly and then came back, right? So here it is taking support. See, you can see it is slightly not touching, I think, but still it is a good support zone, right? And you get this move and then the trend has changed, right? So this is like falling down. Okay, so let's see the short entry rules. It pretty much like reverse of the long entry. Rules for the short entries. Trigger candle. Our trigger candle is a candle which is either cutting through 55 or 60 EMA from the top, or taking resistance at 55 or 60 EMA. We sell below the low of the trigger candle, and our stop loss is above the high of the trigger candle, right? And again, this is a momentum strategy, so look for exiting in 4-5 candles, or trail your stop loss after 4-5 candles. So look at the example for short entries. This is the daily chart of Tata Steel. So you can pretty much see here that it is in the downtrend. Here you can see it is switching the trend, but you are not finding our preferred candle, right? This is like a doji candle, long upper wick. This is the proper red candle, right? This is again a green candle, but high did not taken out for our entries, right? So we do not enter here, but this is the sure short entry, and this all the moves towards this moving average. And when you find this kind of red candles, it is like a pullback, and now here it is switching the trend again. Okay, so you can identify the trends with this 65, 55 and 60 EMA. And if you are using any other strategy for the pullback, like pullback at 20 simple moving average, or pullback at support or resistance, you can pretty much identify the trend with this trend switch. Okay, if you have any doubts, any queries, please post in the comment section, and also I will set up the quiz for this strategy as well. So take participation in that as well, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.